we're going to go ahead and, instead of complete part A first, we're going to skip over to part B, and it asks us to write an equation to represent each company's charges. So the first company is Photographs Unlimited, and it says they charge a monthly flat fee of $50.10 per photo. So what that looks like is for the month, no matter what, even if you don't order any photos, it costs $50. Plus, it costs 10 cents per photo. But we don't know how many photos there are. But we're going to have to keep adding 10 cents over and over again for however many of photos. So the cost is equal to $50 no matter what, plus, and to write 10 cents as a decimal, we get rid of the cent symbol and move the decimal over twice. And it's 10 cents plus 10 cents. Well, that's the same thing as adding 10 cents over and over again as multiplying. So that is why we're going to put a P next to the 10 cents. Now, we could also write that using the commutative property. If we switch the order around, we could also write it like this. So it doesn't matter which one goes after the equal sign. And remember also that when we write decimals, that we don't need a 0 at the end of a decimal. So this would also work. Now, the other company is called Landscapes Incorporated, and they charge 12 cents per photo, but only $35 per month. So the total cost is equal to $35 plus, and instead of 10 cents, we're going to pay 12 cents per photo. And again, remember, we could also use the commutative property. Those are both equivalent. Now, if we go back to part A, it asks us to complete the table showing various number of prints and their prices. So if we take our equation for Photographs Unlimited, the table gives us the number of photos here on the left. So that's P. So it wants us to find the cost if we let P equal 100. So if we evaluate here, we have 0.1 times 100 is 10, plus the $50 monthly fee. We would get that the cost for 100 photos is $60. Now we're going to go ahead and repeat this for 500 and 1,000. And we're going to do the same thing for now the cost for the Landscapes Incorporated. So replace the P with 100. Simplify. And then we would repeat that process for the rest of the table.